Hello, and this is Stephen Fernandez. You are 16CS057, and let's continue to the fifth experiment, which is packages in Java. So packages is basically a file you try to fabricate a separate Java classes into a container called package. So similar type of Java classes which do similar type of operation, but with the different variables and different objects or aspects. We put them in a single package, and accordingly with this package we can properly differentiate and categorize our complete application by putting these small Java classes into different package Java files into different packages. So when we run the main class, it goes into the packages by importing the package by importing the package, and then taking these values and consecutively flowing these values through these packages and the classes. So the main purpose of package is to containerize and properly differentiate between these classes. So 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 here we are going to do an SRA allotment feature. So there is uh, inside this what we have done is there is a hostel class, a hostel Java file, and also there is an SRA and a student a separate class. So the hostel file is in one package, and these two are in another package. And also in the main class we have a file called test. Test is the main class over here. So what it does is the hostel is the main class. So based on the hostel, the SRAs are allotted to the hostel, and under the SRAs there are students allotted. So what I have done here is there are three hostels. For each hostel there is three SRAs, and under three SRAs there are three students. So let's try to run this file. So in this file, what it is doing is we are just taking these values and setting these values, and again setting these values in this hostel file, and also creating a incepted array inside which the hostel array will hold a SRA array, and inside the SRA array there will be a student array. Inside the student array there will be three different students. So accordingly, like that when you come out to the student array, there are three student arrays inside an SRA array. There are three SRA arrays inside an hostel array, and again inside this main array there are three different hostels. So according to that, we are setting these values and getting these values accordingly. Also, we are incrementing and decrementing. So let's try to build this program. Yeah, so enter the name of the first hostel. So the SRA name of the hostel. I'll just give them values like A, B, C because it's better to categorize and differentiate. Enter the student's name, and student name I'll be giving as A1, A2, A3. So enter the student's name of the second SRA. So here I'll be doing for the second SRA, so I'll do B1, B2, B3. The third student. So now the second hostel. So the second hostel's name can give it anything. So the SRA name for the hostel. The student's name for each SRA. And the student's name for the third SRA. Similarly for the third hostel. Yeah, so we after doing that we return to the main panel because we have finished manually entering in the values. So after that we can just see this SRA allocated. Yeah, so this value shows all the SRAs allocated over here. We just continue, and we can see the list of SRAs in the particular hostel. So enter the hostel name, and we can see the SRA allocated in those hostels. So another thing we can do is view student details. Yeah, just enter the student's name. We can see where the student is and where the SRA is. So the list student under the SRA function. In that case, you'll just enter the SRA name. Yeah, and you can see how many students are allotted accordingly. So yeah, that's how the program works.